We'll be starting with science and technology from the second quarter of 2024. Now, Hubble tension. In a recently published study, scientists from Germany and the UK proposed a groundbreaking explanation for the Hubble tension. About Hubble constant, the Hubble constant at zero is the rate of expansion of universe. It is used to confirm the age of universe and make future predictions. Hubble constant is estimated by researchers using two main methods: the cosmic distance ladder and the cosmic microwave background. Cosmic distance ladder measures the rate of universe expansion by observing the distance of objects in the nearby universe and their movement away from Earth. It is measured by the Hubble Space Telescope and ESA's Gaia Astrometry. Cosmic microwave background measures the fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background, that is, heat left after Big Bang in the distant universe. It is measured by ESA's Planck's mission. About Hubble tension, the Hubble tension refers to a discrepancy between measurement of the universe expansion rate by cosmic distance ladder and cosmic microwave background. As per the CDL, the nearby universe is expanding at the rate of 73 to 74 kilometers per square kilometer per second per mega parsec. Whereas the CMB states that the distance universe is expanding at the rate of 67 to 68 kilometers per second per megaparsec. IceCube Neutrino Observatory. Scientists at the IceCube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica believe that they may have found the first evidence of astrophysical tau neutrinos known as ghost particles. About IceCube Neutrino Observatory, IceCube is a device designed to detect subatomic particles known as neutrino. It is the world's biggest neutrino telescope. Its sensors are distributed throughout a cubic kilometer of ice. The location is in Amundsen South Pole Station in Antarctica. It was built and is maintained by the IceCube Collaboration. IceCube Collaboration consists of many universities worldwide, led by University of Wisconsin About neutrinos, neutrinos are extremely small subatomic particles having very little mass. They are neutral in charge. Neutrinos are the most abundant particle having mass in the universe. Coming together of atomic nuclei like the sun or breaking apart like a fission reactor or particle accelerator produces neutrinos. Once produced, these ghostly particles almost never interact with other matter. Tens of trillions of neutrinos from the sun stream through your body every second. Source of neutrinos: stars, supernovae, galaxies, nuclear reactions. Now, the IceCube Laboratory, 86 strings of DOM set off 128 meters apart. Now, IceCube Laboratory data is collected here and sent by the satellite to the data warehouse at UW Madison. Digital Optical Module, DOM, 5,160 DOMs deployed in ice. Amundsen Scott South Pole Station, Antarctica, a National Science Foundation managed research facility. Now, about Indian Neutrino Observatory, it is an initiative to create the state-of-art underground laboratory to research fundamental scientific concepts. The project aimed to study neutrino using an underground iron calorimeter detector in a 120-meter deep cave. The project is proposed to be set up at the Pottipuram village in Theni district in Tamil Nadu. This project is jointly funded by Department of Atomic Research and the Department of Science and Technology. The project involves approximately 26 institutes with the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai serving as the host. ISRO's Zero Orbital Debris milestone, ISRO's PSLV C-57 ExpoSat mission successfully launched the ExpoSat satellite and changed the final stage of PSLV into POEM-3 module, leaving no debris in Earth's orbit. About the POEM-3 PSLV Orbital Experimental Module 3, it is a platform designed to conduct in-orbit experiments using the final stage of the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The PSLV is a four-stage rocket with the first three stage falling into the ocean, while the final stage PS4 typically becomes space junk. However, in POEM, the spent final stage will be used as a stabilized platform for experiments. It has been developed by Vikram Sarabhai Space Center (VSSC). It was first utilized in PSLV C-53 mission in June 2022. ISRO deployed POEM to orbit the Earth and conduct in-orbit scientific experiments with several payloads on board. Zero orbital debris milestone to avoid space junk, POEM's 3's orbit was lowered from 650 kilometers to 350 kilometers. On March 21, 2024, it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere and burned up. Due to careful deorbiting, the PSLV C-57 EXPOSAT mission left almost no debris in orbit. Now, space debris in low Earth orbit mainly includes parts of spacecraft, rockets, defunct satellites, and fragments of anti-satellite missile tests. LEO extends from 100 kilometers to 2000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Kessler syndrome. Space debris poses two significant risks. It creates unusable area in orbit due to accumulation of debris. It can trigger the Kessler syndrome, where a single collision causes a chain reaction of more collisions, leading to even more debris. How are space agencies dealing with debris? Legal provisions. There are currently no international law on LEO debris. However, most spacefaring nations follow the Space Debris Mitigation Guidelines established by the Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee (IADC) and endorsed by UN in 2007. Now, God's particle Higgs boson. Nobel Prize winning physicist Peter Higgs has passed away at the age of 94. He proposed the existence of God particles known as Higgs boson. About Higgs boson is the fundamental force carrying particle of the Higgs field. It is a field that gives mass to other fundamental particles such as electrons and quarks. The Higgs boson was ultimately discovered on July 4, 2012 by scientists at the Large Hadron Collider LHC at CERN in Switzerland, in the world's most powerful particle accelerator. The LHC confirmed the existence of Higgs field and mechanism that gives rise to the mass and thus completed the standard model of particle physics. According to the standard model of particle physics, particles gain their mass by interacting with a field called Higgs field. Higgs boson is one of the 17 fundamental particles that constitute the standard model of physics, which describes the physics of how the universe is constructed. The standard model consists of 17 fundamental particles with only the electrons and photon known a century ago. The 17 fundamental particles are divided into two groups, that is fermions and bosons. Now, features of Higgs boson. The Higgs boson has a mass of 125 billion electron volts, making it 130 times more massive than a proton. It has no charge with zero spin, making it the only elementary particle without spin. Now, GPS spoofing. Israel reportedly used GPS spoofing to protect itself against the missile attack by Iran. Now, about GPS spoofing. GPS spoofing or GPS stimulation is the practice of tricking a GPS receiver with false GPS signals. The false signals deceive the receivers, leading to incorrect location reading. This cyber attack compromises GPS data reliability, impacting navigation, time synchronization, and other applications. How it works: GPS satellites send signals that receivers use to find their location based on signal timing. GPS spoofing exploits the weak satellite signals by sending stronger fake ones, causing incorrect location data. Attackers copy real GPS signals to deceive the receiver. Shallow fakes. The social media has been flooded with misinformation amidst the ongoing general election. Most of the misinformation has been spread through shallow fakes. Shallow fakes, like deep fakes, involves altering people's images, voice, video for malicious purposes. Shallow fake is also called cheap fake. Difference between deep fake and shallow fakes. Technology. Deep fake uses advanced AI and machine learning algorithms, while shallow fake involves lower quality images and video editing that can be made with common editing softwares and typically don't require AI or machine learning. Accessibility. Shallow fakes are easier for regular user to create and are therefore more common than deepfakes. Now, network as a service. India's network as a service market is projected to grow from 1.18 billion in 2024 to 7.32 billion by 2029. About NAS. NAS is a cloud service model where customers lease networking services from cloud provider. It is a flexible, scalable, affordable option for organizations since it enables them to allocate network resources as needed. NAS allows customers to operate their own network without maintaining their own networking infrastructure. The traditional network model requires capital expenses, CapEx, for physical network with switches, routers, and licensing. NAS can replace other networking systems that offer require more work, provide less agility, such as virtual private networks and multi-protocol label switching (MPLS). NAS offerings include services such as managed software-defined wide area network (SAD-WAN) and network access. For example, this may encompass wireless security or unified communications services in a public cloud or on a virtualized consumer premise equipment (VCPE). Bitcoin halving, crypto traders and Bitcoin miners are eagerly awaiting their quadrennial event known as Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is a 50% reduction in the reward given to Bitcoin miners. Bitcoin miners are people who successfully process other people's cryptocurrency transactions so that they can be added to the public digital ledger known as the blockchain. To grow Bitcoin's blockchain and keep the ecosystem running, Bitcoin miners rely on advanced computer equipment to solve a complex mathematical puzzle through a process known as proof of work. It is an event which takes place every 4 years. Impact BTC having slows down the creation of new bitcoins, reducing supply and often driving prices higher as demand grows. However, it makes mining less profitable for Bitcoin miners since rewards are cut in half, which may force less efficient miners to stop and leads to industry consolidation. About Bitcoins, Bitcoin is the first decentralized cryptocurrency that allows instant payment to anyone. Introduced in 2009, it operates on an open source protocol and is not controlled by any central authority. Records of Bitcoin, all transactions are recorded in a public encrypted ledger called the blockchain. Nextcar 19, India's own CAR T cell therapy. The President of India launched India's first indigenous anti cancer CAR T cell therapy, Nextcar 19. About Nextcar 19, it is India's first indigenously developed CAR T cell therapy. It is developed by IIT Bombay, Tata Memorial Centre, and ImmunoAct, a startup from IIT Bombay. It targets cancer cell with CD19 protein. The treatment is for individuals with B cell lymphomas who may not respond to standard treatments like chemotherapy, resulting in relapse or recurrence. Initially, the therapy is approved for patients aged 15 years and older. Now, the process of CAR T cell therapy. First, remove blood from patients to get T cells. The T cells make CAR T cells in lab. Insert G from CAR. CAR T cells have CAR protein. Now grow millions of CAR T cells. Infuse CAR T cells into the patient. CAR T cells binds to cancer cells to kill them with the help of antigens. Now about CAR T cell therapy. CAR T cell is a revolutionary therapy that modifies immune cells, specifically T cells, by turning them into a potent cancer fighter known as. Now about CAR T cell therapy. CAR T cell is a revolutionary therapy that modifies immune cells, specifically T cells, by turning them into potent cancer fighters known as CAR T cells. T cells are special cells, that is white blood cells, that find and fight illness and infections whose primary function is cytotoxin, meaning it can kill other cells. These cells are genetically engineered to target and kill cancer, particularly in blood cancers like leukemia and lymphoma. Once modified, the supercharged cells are reintroduced into the body to attack cancer cells. Xenotransplantation. Recently, the first recipient of a modified pig kidney transplant passed away around 2 months after the xenotransplantation surgery was carried out. About xenotransplantation, it involves using non-human cell tissues or organs like pig kidney to treat human medical conditions. Xenotransplantation the involving the heart was first tried in humans in 1980s. The animal organ selected must undergo genetic modification so that the human body does not reject it. Why are pigs commonly used in xenotransplantation? Similar body structure as humans, pigs are often chosen because of their similar body structure and functions are like human. Pigs are easy and cost effective to breed. Potential uses for xenotransplantation product: donor pig, pig skin for burns, pig kidney for kidney failure, pig pancreatic islets for diabetes. They are also used because of the enhanced possibility of organ size matching. Different pig breeds offer a variety of organ sizes. This makes it easier to find a match for human recipient. Now to the point, mission in news. Dragonfly mission. It is the fourth mission in NASA's New Frontier program, alongside New Horizon, Juno, and Orisis Rex. Objective is it is an astrobiology mission to Titan aimed at evaluating its potential for microbial life and examining its prebiotic chemistry at multiple sites. It marks the first time NASA will fly a vehicle for science on another planetary body. It will reach Titan in 2034. Technical specification: Dragonfly is a dual quadcopter about the size of a car capable of traveling tens of kilometers on Titan in under an hour. Power source: Dragonfly will use a radioisotope power system like that one used by Curiosity rover on Mars. About Titan, it is Saturn's largest moon, featuring an Earth like cycle of liquid flowing across its surface and being the only moon with a dense atmosphere. Now, ISRO's RLV LEX 2 mission, about reusable landing vehicle LEX 2 developed by ISRO. It is the second in series of a test flights designed to showcase the autonomous landing capability of a reusable launch vehicle. The mission featured a winged vehicle named Pushpak, which was lifted to an altitude of 4.5 km by Indian Air Force Chinook helicopter. Pushpak was released and had to autonomously execute a series of maneuvers to land accurately on the runway. About the reusable landing vehicle, the reusable launch vehicle is essentially a space plane with a low lift to drag ratio, which means it must approach at steep glide angles and land at high speeds of 350 kilometers per hour. Lunar Polar Exploration Mission, LUPEX mission. It is a joint mission of Japan Aerospace Exploration JAXA and Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. The objective is to explore the mission moon's southern pole region for water and other elements, possibly in the form of surface ice. Now, contributions for the LUPEX mission: the launch vehicle and rover are supposed to be contributed by the Japanese agency, while the lander will come from ISRO. It will carry instruments from NASA and European Space Agency. Now, Bhishma portable cubes. Bhishma cubes, a state of art indigenous mobile hospitals, were developed under Project Bhishma Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog, Hit, and Maitri to provide rapid and effective medical assistance during emergencies and disaster situations. Key features: it can support up to 200 patients. These cubes are lightweight, waterproof, and durable. Advanced medical equipments, RFID tagged for efficient repackaging and redeployment. The whole unit contains 72 easily transportable components. Nephrotic syndrome. Nephrotic syndrome is a kidney disorder that causes your body to pass too much protein into your urine. Key symptoms: proteinuria, high levels of protein in urine, hypoalbuminemia, low levels of albumin, a protein in the blood, edema, swelling especially in the feet, ankles, and around the eyes, hyperlipidemia, elevated levels of fats and cholesterols in the body, aflatoxin contamination. Aflatoxins are toxins produced by certain fungi, which are generally found in agricultural crops like maize, peanuts, cottonseed, and others. They are carcinogenic in nature. Now, weight loss drugs functioning. Weight loss drug mimic the action of gut hormone called glucagon like peptide 1, GLP-1. GLP is secreted from the three main tissues in human: enterocrine cells in distal intestine, alpha cells in pancreas, and the central nervous system. Endosymbiotic theory. The endosymbiotic theory posits that some organelles in modern eukaryotic cells, particularly mitochondria and chloroplast, originated from prokaryotic microbes. Eukaryotic cells have a membrane bound nucleus for storing genetic information. In prokaryotes, DNA is bundled together in nucleoid region, but it is not stored within a membrane bound nucleus. In theory, the first eukaryotic cell was probably an amoeba like cell. Some of these amoeba like organisms ingested prokaryotic cells and then survived within the organism and developed a symbiotic relationship. That'll be all for this video. We'll be moving on to environment in the next one.